And on this day in history, June 2nd, in 1933, U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt accepted the first swimming pool to be built inside the White House.
Good morning! It's me, Chip Sunshine, bringing you your weather. Woo! Woo! Bye-bye Monday. Blah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, what? He's Cinnamon weather. Today in Cinnamon, it's going to be 87 scattered teaspoons. There's a chance, people. Hopefully it doesn't happen. I could be wrong. And in Deer River today, it's going to be 81 and partly cloudy. Not bad. Not bad at all. And in Port Charlotte, Florida, it's going to be 81 and no chance of storms. I chose Deer River in Port Charlotte because it's my Papa Tron's birthday. Happy birthday, Papa Tron. And it's my Grandma Sandy's birthday. Happy birthday, Grandma Sandy. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. Happy birthday! Yes! Tuesday's here. Tuesday's here. Tuesday's here. Bye-bye Monday. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Guitar solo. Dun, 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 dun. Monday's gone. Monday's gone. It's birthdays. Birthday wishes. Monday's gone. Monday's gone. Monday's really gone. Gone. Woo, 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 woo. Yes! All right, people. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you.
Hi everybody, this is Springtime Sue. What a beautiful day at the refuge. And did I mention I get my hair cut in only 3 days? But back to business. Things are blooming. There's a yellow cocoon and the beautiful purple lupins. And I decided now is the time also to talk about leaves of three. You know, we talked about that before. Look, here are 3 leaves. Oh, look at a little teeny flower, and you can tell where flowers used to be. I'm okay touching this because you know what it is? It's a strawberry plant. And you can almost see where a teeny tiny little strawberry is going to grow from where the center, that yellow center of the flower is. And you know, I can't say as I've ever seen a strawberry out here because I betcha somebody eats those strawberries before we ever see them. Hi everybody! Well, I'm looking for leaves of three today, and I walked down the trail past the dock and I came into the woods, and here we're kind of in the trail in the woods. And guess what? Leaves of three that I am not going to be touching. The deal with this, you see leaves of three. They're all together, one stem with leaves of three, and they're kind of pointy. They kind of look like that Jack in the Pulpit or Trillium, but this is poison ivy. Look at way at the bottom. They look kind of like the leaves are on twigs. Well, it isn't a tree, it's poison ivy, but those twiggy, woody stems are a clue. Now, if you touch the poison ivy and you rub your face and you scratch your back, you'll probably get a rash because most of us are very allergic to the oil on those leaves, and it's hard to wash off. But it's really makes you itch. You might get blisters. It looks horrible. So don't touch these leaves of 3. So that's all for Sherburne National Wildlife Refuge for now. And by the way, did I tell you I get my hair cut in 3 days? So long.
Hi kids, my name is Vocab-u-Larry. I'm here to enhance your vocabulary. Here we go. Rumpus. Rumpus is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Rumpus is a noisy disturbance, a commotion. School is out for the summer. Let the wild rumpus begin. Rumpus.